Looking to upgrade your mechanical keyboard or dive into the world of switch modding? You're going to need a reliable switch puller. Today, we're taking a close look at the GATERON Switches Puller V2 in black. At its core, this is a single dedicated tool with one purpose: to safely and efficiently remove mechanical keyboard switches from their hot swap sockets without damaging the PCB or the switch housings. It's an essential for any DIY enthusiast. What makes the V2 stand out immediately is its build. This isn't a flimsy piece of bent wire. It's crafted from anodized aluminum, giving it a substantial, premium feel in the hand. The black finish is sleek and matches most keyboard builds, and it's also available in red, blue, and silver to suit your style. The real magic is in its semi-automatic operation. You simply press down on the switch to engage the puller's arms. They snap securely under the switch's lip. Then, with a comfortable one-handed pull, the switch pops straight out. This design is a huge leap over basic pullers that require awkward pinching and wiggling. It feels convenient, flexible, and truly like a trusted keyboard partner. There's a satisfying precision to it that makes the tool feel worthy of collection, not just use. In real-world use, it makes switch swapping a breeze. Whether you're testing a new batch of switches or doing a full board swap, the process is fast and secure. The aluminum jaws grip firmly without scratching, providing excellent peace of mind. For pros, the anodized aluminum construction is incredibly durable, the semi-automatic mechanism is brilliantly efficient, and the one-handed operation is a genuine quality-of-life improvement. The only minor con is that, due to its solid build, it's less flexible than wire pullers, so you must ensure it's squarely placed on the switch to avoid any uneven pressure, though this becomes second nature quickly. Compared to the bundled plastic pullers that come with many keyboards, this is a professional-grade upgrade. Even compared to other metal pullers, the V2's specific jaw design and smooth action give it an edge. A quick practical tip: always press down firmly until you hear or feel the click of the jaws engaging fully under the switch. This guarantees a straight, even pull every time. Overall, if you modify keyboards with any regularity, the GATERON Switches Puller V2 is a small investment that dramatically improves the experience. It's a well-crafted, functional tool that does its one job exceptionally well. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more straightforward gear reviews. Happy modding!